Hi everyone. If your computer screen is stretched on Windows 10, don't worry. The problem can be caused by incorrect resolution configuration or the faulty graphics drivers. Just use the solutions in this video to fix the problem. Solution 1. Check display settings. The stretched screen issue can be caused by faulty display settings. Follow the steps below to check the display settings. Right-click the desktop and click Display Settings on the context menu. Be sure the resolution is set at the recommended level. If not, change it to the recommended solution. Another thing, if that doesn't work, another thing you can do is update your graphics card or reinstall your graphics card. To do that, you have to scroll down and you will see Advanced Display Settings. Click on Advanced Display Settings. And you have to go to the Display Adapter Properties here. Click on this Adapter Properties, and it will show you the graphics card here. So you just have to click Properties here, and it will open the graphics driver here. So what you have to do is go to the driver option, and update your driver here. Click on Update Driver. And also you have to check your internet connection is on. So click on Search automatically for updated driver. So it will search online too and install the base driver for your graphics card. Here, so I have already installed the base driver from my graphics card. And see if that helps, and if that don't work for you, what you need to do is just reinstall your graphics card. To install your graphics card, you have to go to the Display Adapters option again, and go to the Uninstall Device option. So click on Uninstall Device, and it will show you an install option here. So don't check the delete the driver software here, don't check the option here. It will delete your driver for you. What you have to do is just uninstall. Here, click on Uninstall, and it will uninstall the driver for you. And you just need to restart your computer again, and it will reinstall your graphics card driver. After that, see if that works for you, the resolution of or the stretch issue that you're having on your display in a screen.